Well, the big day's finally arrived. My Ultra Saber got here. Tammy had ordered me the best lightsaber that you can get anywhere, and it's from Ultra Sabers right here in Friendswood, Texas. And it finally came. I had done a lot of customization on it, and there was a lot of crush from the movie and the holidays and stuff, so it's just now getting here, but I'm really excited to open it up. So we're gonna unbox it. I won a free lightsaber in the raffle that they were having too, and it looks like both sabers are in here. And there's the two sabers that are wrapped in bubble wrap. Okay, let's look at the free one first. Okay, looks like this one has the standard blade on it instead of the Ultra Edge blade, I believe. It's nice.
Zooming in on the controller, you can show me the hilt.
I'm not sure what the hilt is.
Oh, that's that one. I remember we saw that one online.
Yeah, I remember liking it. And that's the with the light on.
Awesome. Here, let me back up.
This one, you know, being the grab bag does not have sound on board. Still looks very cool though.
Yes.
Now let's get to the Guardian with diamond controller. And this saber is Ultra Sabers' interpretation of Obi-Wan's lightsaber from episode 1. Yeah, it's a standard 36-inch blade. This one is the Ultra Edge. You can see it's wider than this one.
It's got that, what is it inside that helps with the color? Because see the difference in the color of the blades?
Right, this one has a white coating around the outside to make it appear more full.
Yeah. Let me see a close up on that, on the hilt.
On the hilt.
Yeah, turn it around, roll it for me. Yeah, that's badass looking. Nice. And there's the, you want to turn it on?
Sure.
Is the sound kind of, some of it preset? Oh my gosh. That's so awesome. That's really cool.
It is.
It's loud too.
Let's see.
Multicolored. It's not just red. Oh, there it went through different colors. That was really cool.
I changed it to yellow. Yeah, that's what you can do with this.
Hey, you want to turn it off and turn it on when I turn the lights out?
Okay.
Although I don't know, you may have to turn the other one in there out too. Move over in front of your arcade machine's a little darker over there.
Okay.
Okay, go ahead. Yeah, look, it's shining on the wall and the ceiling. It's pretty bright.
Yeah, it is.
That's so cool.
That's when you have the blade locked up. You can simulate having the blade locked up.
Turn this light off. There we go. Yeah, that's really cool. Turn the line off, baby. I like to see it when it turns on.
Yeah, okay.
And then turn it back on. That's so cool.
That is so cool.
You want to see what the other one looks like in the dark? It's Master Jedi Tracy. That's really cool because this one you can actually combat with.
Well, this is only the mid-grade blade, but it's pretty sturdy.
The other one. So cool.
It's so cool. The sound comes out of the bottom of the pommel.
which are also changeable. You can change
I like
the pommels
the
and
little windows here that let the
some light through. Yeah, you can change the color of the power button and all that good stuff. Lots of customization with Ultra Sabers. I feel like we're doing a commercial for Ultra Sabers.
Yeah. That is too cool.
I just love how you can change the
That
colors.
was I did a particular gesture there. I don't know what it was, but you can actually program gestures in here, and they will do a particular sound and color also.
Mm-hmm. Okay,
I'm being kind
baby.
of careful because we don't have a lot of room in here, but yeah.
Was that not an awesome Christmas
That's
gift?
an awesome gift.